Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be planting things up in the garden in different areas, and I'm gonna be using things that I already have, like some of the things that I have in pots that's been waiting to go into the ground, and other plants that I purchased. uh Not sure where everything is gonna go at the moment, but I'm gonna place plants in different areas and see if I like it, and I'll just, we'll go from there. Starting in this area, like a week or two ago, I planted this boxwood over here. This is a series called the NewGen Boxwood that's supposed to be more resistant to blight and other diseases. Um, this one right here. So I'm gonna dig that up because I decided I want to place it in a different area with a couple more. So right here are the other two. So I'm gonna make a swoop of them right here. And this is the tag. NewGen Boxwood. It's the Freedom one. They have another one. I can't remember what the name of it is, but it says good resistance to boxwood blight with proper care, good resistance to boxwood leaf miner, wow factor in the landscape, deer resistant. The size at 15 years can grow 4 feet tall by 3.5 wide. Growth rate is fast, 3 to 5 inches per year. It's a sun, part sun or shade, in zones 5 to 8. So, substitute for wintergreen, winter gem, green beauty, and gem stoffer, I guess. Okay, so this, let me see. I took the one off of there, the tag. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plant these up. Okay, so now to replace this area where I just dug the boxwood out of, I'm gonna replace it with this Milky Way rhododendron. It produces white flowers in the spring, full to partial sun, see. Partial to full sun. Blooms in the spring. Hardy 4 to 9. -30 to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. And it reaches 3 feet wide and tall. All right, next. So I have these plants in this pot that I purchased on clearance at Lowe's. They're crotons, and I believe the other one is a mandevilla. Not sure of the color, but I believe that's what it is. It looks like it could be that, but I'm gonna take them out and plant them somewhere else. Just for the winter though, and then I'm gonna dig them up and bring them in the house. Because of course this is not the zone for it. So okay, my phone is getting hot. It keeps shutting off, so if it shuts off again, I'm just going to go ahead and plant the plant, and then I'll show it to you afterwards. Instead of putting the plants in the ground directly, I put the pot into the ground. That way, when it gets cooler, I could just pull it out and take it inside. I actually prefer it that way because I'm going to be pulling out a lot of other plants to overwinter. All the tropical plants I usually try to take out. So I'm going to have enough work on my hands as it is. So yeah, I think that looks nice right there. And these here mandevillas that I'm thinking about placing here, these are the red ones. Whoops. Wait, oh, here it is. These are the flowers, for those who don't know. Okay, so the phone did shut off, and I went ahead and started planting away. So here I planted, this yucca has been here, it's a red yucca. I planted the royal velvet petunias. I did the red mandevillas, and I just plopped the whole pot inside the ground instead of planting it out instead of planting it out of the pot. And this plant here is called Forever Red. It's a heuchera. So I'm gonna plant 3 of those in the space where it's on, and then 2 of them over here in front of this boxwood. It was getting so hot here, I had to put an umbrella up. Very nice. Oh yeah. And now for this area. Okay, so here you have it, all planted and watered. Hey guys, so yesterday when I got done working in the island bed, I wasn't really satisfied. I loved how everything turned out, but I feel like it needed some extra color. So I went to a couple of garden stores today and I picked out some flowers, some other plants. So this is what I got. This right here, I believe, is a gorgeous mixture of colors. It's gonna go well even for the fall, but right now, I mean, it's very tropical looking, and I just love how everything looks. I think this looks better. I'm not done though. Still have other planting to do, especially behind, actually all behind there. Okay guys, so we got a new tree. Flat out. So here we go, putting it in the ground. Maybe I should move the mulch. Oh, I'm so sorry. We're gonna turn it backwards. We're gonna tilt it up. How much you gonna move it to?
Yeah, right there. You could lean it if you want. I don't know.
just in time. Starting to rain. It started a little bit while we were planting the tree, but now it's really coming down. Yep, but there we go. This is a Seven Suns heptacodium tree. This is my third one in the yard, and I love it because of the tropical leaves. It looks really bad and skimpy right now. Even from the drive home, the leaves got burnt. This is the other one back here that we planted. I love it.